Good afternoon, ma'am. May I know your name and asa ka nga school gikan?
My name is Maria Lourdes A. Ranes, and I am currently enrolled at the University of Bohol.
So, can I ask you some questions?
Yeah, sure. I think I can have some time to
Thank
answer your
you. So,
questions.
the first question is, what school rule or policy helps you the most with your learning and why?
With regard to your question, I actually have two answers. First is the no ID, no entry policy. And second is that the rule wherein it is considered actually a cardinal rule for every student to be on time and early before the class begins.
And next question is there a school rule that makes learning harder for you? Can you explain?
Actually, so far in the University of Bohol, I could say that the school's policies and rule being implemented by the administration are actually there for the students to be molded, and it will somehow guide the students to be responsible, be responsible with how we act and how we attend classes. That's why I do believe that those rules are not just there because they want it to be there, but it serves purposes.
Next question. Do you feel safe and supported in school because of the rules? Why or why not?
Yeah, I really feel safe, no? Especially the first policy or rule that I mentioned, that no ID, no entry. Because imagine a school establishment wherein students or anybody could just enter into the school establishment even without the identification cards. So it could lead to a situation wherein the student who are actually enrolled in that school will feel that the school is not safe anymore because anybody could just enter, di ba? So it's a good thing that there's this very basic policy which states that no ID, no entry.
And next question. Have school rules ever stopped you from doing something helpful for your education? What happened?
Actually, there's this one time wherein I forgot to bring my school ID. So, it was considered an obstacle on my part and a struggle on my part because I need to go home pa just to get my school ID for me to get out to enter the school establishment. So, somehow, I know it's my fault also because I left my school ID. Pero there are circumstances wherein we cannot really predict, no, the future. Nga, sometimes we tend to forget something. And since gusto ta nga, we wanted to be on time, no, sa atong classes, mo early ta. However, mo lang ito because of that incident nga I forgot to bring my ID, mo to nga wala ko nakasud dayon. So na-late yun ko. So there was this kanang situation nga akong my prof already started discussing some lesson. So ako, because I wanted to, attend the class even though na-late ko, wala gyud nalikayan nga naagyoy part sa discussion nga wala na nako napaminaw because of that incident. Pero yeah, admittable, lapses had nako man.
So thank you, ma'am.